Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to unban someone on your Facebook business page. Whether you've had a change of heart about a previous decision or simply need to give someone access, again, this process will help you restore their ability to interact with your page. Let's jump right in. First, open your browser and navigate to facebook.com. Once you're there, log into your Facebook business account using your credentials. After signing in, you'll land on your Facebook homepage. Take a look at the left navigation menu where you'll typically find your shortcuts. Click on your Facebook business page from this menu. This is the page you manage and where you'll be making the changes to unblock someone. Once you click on your page, you'll be taken to your Facebook business management area. This is essentially the control center for your page where you can manage posts, insights, and various settings. From here, focus your attention on the left navigation menu again. You'll see several options listed there. Locate and click on Settings. This section houses all the configuration options that control how your page operates and who can interact with it. After clicking Settings, you'll be directed to your Facebook Business Settings and Privacy page. This is where you can fine-tune who sees your content and who's restricted from engaging with your page. On the left navigation menu, look for the option labeled Blocking and click on it. This section is specifically designed to manage users you've previously blocked from your page. Under the Manage Blocking section, you'll see an Edit button. Go ahead and click on it to access your blocking options. Now you'll be presented with 3 different options. You can add a user to your blocked list, add a follower to your blocked list, or see your current blocked list. Since we're looking to unban someone, click on See Your Blocked List. This will show you everyone who's currently blocked from interacting with your page. You'll now see a complete list of all the profiles you've blocked from your page over time. To unblock someone, simply scroll through the list until you locate their profile. Once you've found the person you want to unban, click the Unblock button next to their name. A confirmation message will appear asking you to verify this action, as Facebook wants to make sure you're intentionally making this change. Click Confirm to finalize the process, and that's it. You've successfully unbanned someone from your Facebook business page, and they'll now be able to interact with your content again. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.